Welcome back, guys. If you remember vividly, I was talking about the interface of ChatGPT. Talked about this being the input, more like a keyboard on your laptop. Then I talked about this being your screen, more like the screen of your laptop or the monitor, why this be the keyboard. Then I mentioned about this being your file folder or your file organization, so you could always access your past prompts right here. Then I mentioned about something being an application or your softwares. So something like this are your softwares. So you come to GPTs. So GPTs, these are your softwares, but GPTs is just like your Play Store or App Store where you get other apps to make your chat GPT better. So I want to create a resume for myself now. What I want to do now is to search for something that can create it for me. So I'll search for a resume right away. I'll search for a resume and let's see apps we could use, which are GPTs. Let's see the ones we could use to automate that and to boost our productivity. So let me look for a resume right away. So I'm going to search for a resume and you see we have different GPTs that could do that for us, as you can see it right here. So we're going to look for the one we could use. So you could see by combining the expertise of top resume writers with advanced AI, we assist in guarantee interviews by easily crafting outstanding resume. Yes, so let's see this or this. So we have resume and we have resume writer. So let me use this for instance. So this is a GPT that works on one's resume. So let's say you want to write a resume. So I'm using this particular resume writer, the resume expert in crafting tailored, professional, and humanized resumes, optimized for applicant tracking system. Yeah, so ATS is the new thing where AI tracks your resume and you need to write resume according to this guideline so you could pass all this automated applicant tracking system. So you upload a resume as a Word document or in plain text to get started. So that is that. As a new user, could you explain your services? Make a resume from scratch, which is what we are going to do. So I'm going to use this particular feature. So this is the prompt right here to start the conversation. So this will be the instruction. So let's start with this. So it says make a resume from scratch. So I'm going to start with this. So I'm going to just make a resume from scratch and let's try to see how to come up with that. So I'm going to start right away, and right here we're going to look for a sample resume to work on. So as you can see, personal information, your full name. So these are the information you give to this to help you create an automated resume. So all me I'll do is to copy this. I'll copy this, then I'll start editing that. Then I'll paste it into the input box. Then I'll start with my full name. So I'm going to name this Bullard Tech. Yes, Bullard Tech Academy. Perfect. Then address city. So I'll say Abuja, Nigeria. Yes. And my email will be my eklema. Yes, it's going to be my eklema at gmail.com. Okay, and phone number would be +2348117267968. Yes, so LinkedIn profile is optional. If you want to add it, you add it right here, but I'm not going with that. Yes, so my career objective, 1 to 2 sentences about your professional goals. So yes, you could say I'm a technical I'm a technical IT trainer with the passion to teach some of the best students of tech around the world. Yes, so I leave that, and my work experience. So yeah, I'm going to start listing work experience for each job. Please share. So I'm going to list bug fix technologies. Yes, bug fix technologies 2020 to 2022. You can actually use your LinkedIn profile to tailor a new resume, but Yeah, all you have to do is to copy all the details on your LinkedIn profile and paste. But right now I'm just starting from scratch. So 2022, I'll say a soft solution lab, a soft solution lab. Yes, 2022 to 2023. Yes, and book fees. Blood. Let's say blood creative studio 2025 to present. Yes, and just say blood tech academy, which should be 2023 to 2025, and I'll add my roles at the front of it: co-founder, yes, co-founder, this director, yes, this this founder, founder, and this CEO. So something like this. Then I'm going to input the job title, company name, location, date of employment, and year. So you're going to input all that, key responsibilities and achievements. Yes, so key responsibilities. um I took on leadership roles all across all jobs, led every team I came across. Just give it a preview of what your key responsibilities are. Yes, so you're going to give it a preview of what your key responsibilities are. So my education of technology, Mina. Yes, so it's going to be Mina, Niger State, Mina, Niger State, and graduation year will be 2025. uh the degree of the CS, so perfect for this school. Then skills, yes, list any skill relevant to the role you are seeking for. So let's say I'm seeking for, okay, web development. Some of my skills are will be highlighted: web development, SEO, SEO, yes, web design, business branding, yes, and IT consultation. Perfect. So certifications and awards, language optional. So this will be English. Yes, English fluent certification. So I could just take all these out, then just giving it all these basic details. I could have it sent out, and let's see what this particular GPT will do for us at the very end. So now we have a we have a resume being worked on right now, and let's see what that results to. So feedback: you have a strong foundation of leadership and experience. Would you like me to expand or fine tune any particular session? Yes, so you say expand. If you're interested with your draft, you can forward it to Zen Jobs, where it will be professionally formatted and loaded as polished PDF. Yes, on the Zen Jobs platform, you can download your resume in a clean modern layout with several templates. So choices, get a custom score with insight. Let me know if you like to send the draft to Zen Jobs. Yes, expand the resume with more context and send to Zen Jobs. Okay, so I'm going to ensure that is done. So that's how you get to automate things like this. So I'm going to have this done, and let's see what we're going to do. So it's talking to the connector. So what it does to talk to the connector is to connect you to the main app that would automate this. So all I have to do is to confirm. I'm going to confirm that, and let's see what this Zen job, that's what it's going to come up with. So that is how to automate stuffs. That's how to automate your resume. We can create presentation slides. You could check GPTs for anything depending on what you want to do. So you can use it to automate whatever you want to automate. So you can download this as a plain test, or you download this. So let me click here, and it takes me to Zen jobs where I'm going to see my resume. And this way you're going to begin. So let's begin, and you're going to see the live preview of my resume. As you could see right here, this is my resume being created live. Yes, so this is a live preview of the resume being created. So let's continue this right now. Let's continue, and right here you're going to see all your details, professional details. So you could add more. You could check through and see what is not adding up and add more. Yes, but I'll continue since everything looks okay to me. So you could choose to add your picture if you want to. You could add more things to this. So these are your basic drafts and your basic edits. You could add reference, your social link. So this makes it more complex. All I have to do is to continue to download, and right here your resume is ready. So you can download this, but it says you can download it for 1.7 $1.95 for 7 days. Yeah, so this way it simply automates this. But regardless, if you don't want to, as you could see, this is the resume right here. So what I'll do is to try to print that out. So having to try to print that out from my system, I'm going to be able to see what the print version looks like. And here we are, which is perfect. So you have your resume right away created from Zen Jobs, and look at it looking perfect. If I were you, I'll just save this as PDF, and you could check your layout, you could check your more settings, and you could see your margin. So you could take out the headers and footer, so it takes out all those parts you don't need. Then you have your resume without having to pay. Look at it right here. So it takes out. So I'm going to have something like this, and you're going to see the full resume. So let's say it does not take it out. Let's see what we are going to have. So we're going to have our full resume right here, and that's what this simply means. So let's see what we have right now. So having to not take it out, let's see what we have. So we have all these, and these are just basic. So we're going to have 3 pages of the resume. So I could say save to PDF, of course, instead of printing it directly, and that way I get to save it on my system. But at the same time, if you are not really comfortable with what you have here, so we have all these to be printed, and it doesn't look complete to me actually. So it doesn't look complete to me. Why is that? So when you preview this, you could see that all these are not showing. So you have all these names and everything. So let me just try to print and see what I'm going to have again. Maybe it looks complete or not. And if it doesn't, as you could see, this is perfect for us. And look at it right here. So all I have to do is to save this. I'm going to save it right away as a PDF file, and that way I just add my resume automated. So I'll say resume. Yes, I just had it automated that way. So I'm going to save that, and let me check it right here. So I'm going to check my download, then I'm going to open my resume, and you'll see the full resume right here. So you have something like this. Your resume is ready, and here we have the 3 pages. So we have this, we have this, we have this, and you could go on to edit this with a PDF editor. But right now we have a good resume for ourselves. Is as basic as that. Creating a resume is as basic as that. So yeah, there we are. So aside from that, I could do other things. Yes, I could do other things. So what I want to do now is to go back to my chat GPT, and instead of using a GPT, yes, I will just come and start afresh. So let me come and start afresh. So I'll start a new chat, then I will upload that same PDF file. I'll upload this same PDF file, and I will say help me help me draft out my resume, expand it for a job at, so let's say I want to get a new job, for instance, expand it for a job at Billard Creative Store. Yes, and craft a separate cover letter cover letter for me as a web developer. Yes, so let's do this. Let's try to make it more tush. So after all the stunts we've pulled, I'm going to have the sense, and having to have it sent is going to like brings everything out, and here we are. So you're going to take all the details. Yes, perfect and perfect. So next step, could you please provide a copy of your actual resume content so I can tailor this? So right now it is as basic as it is, so you could just create something out of this. Create a demo for me, create a demo for me. So I'll just ask for a demo instead of me putting all my names, then later I can go edit it. Yes, so we have all these, and yeah, perfect. So we could always come edit those demo. So if you like to personalize this even, so let's collaborate to make this resume and cover letter stand out. So let's say yes, convert the resume to a doc file. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with, having to convert the resume to a doc file. So let's see how this goes for us. So this is just a basic thing, and these are the ways you can create a resume for yourself out of nothing, and that's what I just did. So all I have to do is to download this, then you could actually go on to edit it the way you like. So I just downloaded the one we created. So this is the one we created with GPTs, but right now this is the one we just created with plain ChatGPT. So it's going to format it into Word document for us. So all you have to do now is to enable edit, then start editing this. Then you have a resume automated in Word document. So this alone passes for a resume. Then you could go on to convert your cover letter to a Word document as well. So you could say convert my cover letter to a Word document. So I'm going to do this as well. Aside from the resume, we're going to convert the cover letter as well, and we're going to have a cover letter in a doc file. So it's as simple as that. So let's download that. So that way you've automated both processes, so you could apply for jobs the way you want. Then when you apply for jobs, you could actually tweak all these using ChatGPT. So you can input your actual name. This is the cover letter, which looks good to me. Yes, it looks perfect to me. So if I were you, I would take this to somewhere else, just the way formal letters are. So I'm just going to enable this and do a little bit of formatting. I could take this out, of course this is not needed. Then I could come like this, then do something like this, the way it should be formally. So I'm going to take it this way, and this looks perfect. So we can always edit the way we want to, and input your names, input your details, and it's going to be perfect for the job you're applying for. It's just as basic as that. Creating an automated resume is just as basic as that, and this as well help boost your productivity in so many ways. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.